What if I told you that school, degrees, and normal jobs are not enough anymore? In today's world, only a few people stand out. These people are called linchpins. They are not just workers, they are irreplaceable. In the book Linchpin by Seth Godin explains a powerful idea. A linchpin is a person who is very valuable in any job or group. If they are missing, things stop working well. Most people follow instructions. They do what they are told. They try to stay safe and avoid risk. Seth Godin calls these people replaceable workers. But linchpins are different. A linchpin uses creativity, care, and emotional effort in their work. They don't wait for permission. They take action. They solve problems in new ways. They bring ideas, not just effort. In the past, companies needed many workers to follow fixed rules. But today, machines and computers can do many of these tasks. So being average is not enough anymore. To become a linchpin, you must give art to your work. This does not mean painting or music only. It means doing your job with heart, creativity, and personality. Even small things matter. How you talk to customers, how you solve problems, how you help others. All of this is your art. Seth Godin also talks about fear. Many people are afraid to stand out. They fear failure. They fear judgment from others. But linchpins accept this fear. They do not wait to feel ready. They act even when they are scared. Another important idea is generosity. Linchpins give more than expected. They help others without asking first. They build trust and respect. The book says you do not need a special title to become a linchpin. You can start today in any job, in any situation. If you bring creativity, courage, and care into your work, you become hard to replace. In the end, Seth Godin's message is simple. Don't be average. Don't just follow instructions. Be the person who makes a difference. Be a linchpin.